Hey, what's up guys? Hope you're having a good day. Welcome to Moto Mango. 1, 2, 3, jump! So today we're going to be soldering on my old connector onto my cafe hoop. It's got 3 wires here. I've got it written down here, so it should be pretty easy. The reason I'm soldering onto this connector is this connects to my old connector on my bike, so once I get this buttoned up, it'll just be a plug and play, which will be really awesome. So that's the plan. Now I just need to figure out which wire is which on this thing. So this hoop's got like a integrated tail light and turn signals. So should be pretty sweet. Man, those are freaking tiny. So since it's like even skinnier than the 20 gauge, I'm just using a wire cutter to do it manually, which is kind of sketchy because it's really easy to just accidentally snip through the wire. Alright, I figured I'd just use the battery on my bike. Alright, so let's see what red does. Okay, that's the brake light. That's running light. Okay, turn signals. Alright, they all work. Now that we know everything works, we're actually going to get to soldering. If I was smart, I would have been warming this up while I was doing that, but you know, I guess I'm not that smart. So I know what each wire does via the diagram I found on Amazon. So I'm going to get these shrink wrap tubes, cut to length, get these cinched together, and then solder them. Oh cool, I've got solder right there. Alright. Quick tip on soldering, you don't heat the solder, you heat the copper wire from underneath, and once the copper is hot, you apply the solder to that. That's how you actually get a good solder. Got this tubing here I can wrap it with, and I'm going to tape it first as well. It sucks because this tubing is like way bigger, but trying to fit it in that teeny tiny tube was driving me crazy. Actually, that's perfect, because then when I solder the 2 turn signal wires on my bike to these 2, I can just slip this over it and then take this down. So that actually worked out inadvertently. Love that. Love when that happens. Awesome. The moment of truth. Hook this up. There we go. Plug and play into my stock connector. Turn the bike on. Running lights working. Awesome. Brake lights working. Okay. So I don't know why that's happening. It's giving me both at the same time. So yeah, as you just saw, when I turn on my left or my right turn signal, both my turn signals are flashing as if I'm doing the, the hazard lights. I don't know why that's happening. I've got a flasher LED relay, and I've got, the power hooked up, the ground hooked up, and then the brake light hooked up. There's no other way I could have hooked those up. So if you have any idea what's going on, I would love your input. I'll try to figure it out, do some reading. But I think I'll post this video just to see if anyone out there that's watching this knows what's going on. I would really appreciate your help. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I'll catch you in the next video.